Nice.
Can we come out of it?
Yeah.
You can see the refrigeration unit down there. You see it wrapping around.
Oh yeah.
The main unit's down here,
Yep.
and then the actual coils are right back there,
Yep.
and the whole thing slides out in one piece.
So that's what you need to take out of this one to put in the bertha.
Take this one out, take it over there, pull that one out, and slide this one in, plug it in.
Okay.
These are junkers.
These are junkers.
Yeah.
Don't work anymore.
I picked them up out of behind a building in Denver. The cooling decks work in them. I plugged them in. I mean, everything works. They're a single price machine, and they won't run credit cards. Got a Red Bull machine.
Sell that to like an antique store.
This one was looking like
M&M's or anything.
it's pretty cool.
Go check it out. Look at all the selections in it.
Probably like 5.
Look at what it sells.
Candy.
Chocolate.
Interesting.
Does it keep it cold?
Yeah.
So you put that one outside.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Cool.
You don't see one of those every day.
Candy bars.
It's got Sour Patch Starburst listed on there.
That's cool. We could put that one out
Snickers.
by the stadium or something outside.
This is cool.
It's my coffee table. There's a really small single price right here.
Is that well, it's a machine that vends. It's not just a one with the door open.
Drink machine, yeah.
Okay.
This is for parts. I don't think there's even anything in here. You can sell all the coils and trays and all the motors.
Yep.
Vendo 540. We can put a cantaloupe on here and put this out anywhere.
Okay.
Royal.
Yeah, these ones are cool.
Yeah. Is this designed to actually put a can there for display?
No.
It's just a piece of paper.
Yeah.
Pretty much the same setup.
Remind you of anything?
The Birth Laundry one.
Prestige?
Or Prestige.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
a smaller version of it.
Okay.
Is this fully functioning?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is my Coke I'm keeping.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this in my garage.
Cool.
I want to see this one. Let's see. I didn't look as I walked past. It's Pepsi, Dr. Pepper.
It was our first machine, and I didn't have any labels or anything. All those labels are from the 90s.
Diet Coke, just for the taste of it. You know, it's funny. Finally figured out why I don't like the taste of Diet Coke.
Aspartame?
No, that's not even. It's supposed to taste like a different soda. It's supposed to taste like Tabs.
Okay.
So Coke Zero is actually real Diet Coke. This is Diet Tabs. What do you know?
This is a brand new revision door. It has like a motion sensor and it turns the lights on whenever it detects somebody around. Credit card.
That's kind of scary. The cursed vending machine.
Problem is the machine that I put it on, the hinge came apart. So if this raises up very much, then this whole door will just fall off, and it's really heavy. So I
I got
gotta
a way to bolt it down.
I gotta figure out a way to secure that hinge like one of these.
Yeah, you could get a bracket or something, maybe, or a new top.
Yeah. And then this is a 501E.
These are expired a year ago.
We don't want to eat that.
What kind of bacteria is in it?
This needs a new front and cleaned up. And I got new sides for it too, stickers. So if we can get it painted, put all the stickers on it, put the flag front on it, it'll be ready to go too. And the cooling deck is good in here.
Okay.
Nice. Nice.